If your image look low quality, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to enhance photo quality and convert blurry image into HD using the free tool step by step. We are talking full HD enhancement, sharpener, detail, better color, high resolution, all without touching Photoshop or paying any software. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see for this video I use this image. Here you can see the blurred image and low quality image. So just visit Gemini and I'll give you a prompt. Here you can see add file. Add your photos in a Gemini. Then I'll give you this prompt in my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel also. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. After paste the given prompt, simply click on this send button and now wait for the result. Gemini is enhancing our image. Here you can see our image is enhanced and here you can see full image. Let's download this image. Here you can see this is the original image and downloading full size image 7.5 MB. Let's open this file and this is a upscaled by Gemini image and here you can see the original image. You can see the differences. Now here you can see old original image and enhanced by Gemini image. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐚 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.